Hey, Well Striker Metals here. I'm about to replace these with LED bulbs. This is an incandescent bulb. These things use a hell of a lot of current, and that's bad for your battery, which is bad for staying on board for extended periods of time. So I'm going to take this off, just like that. As you can see in there, it's a little bit corroded. That's the strange bulb, the incandescent bulb, which is actually really hot right now. So I'll have to wait a few seconds. Anyway, that blue LED there, that's an LED, was supposed to be red, but they sent me a blue one. So they've sent me a free red LED, which is this here. Which is pretty cool. Now the blue one is going to go in here, actually, and I'm going to replace the red one down there. So let's do that. As the LED one should be cold. Use my phone stand for this, so I don't have to hold my phone. Upwards, there we go. So this is going in there. Oh. Same as the other one. It's quite hot also. They do get quite hot. Whew, can't pick that up by hand. There we go. So very hot these when you're using them. Hence the heat sink, no doubt. So it doesn't really matter which way you put it in, as it will still go on. Anyway, these prongs need to slightly be bent a bit, otherwise these small LED bulbs don't really fit compared to the incandescent ones, which I just showed. This should be red. Oh, there we go, and that's definitely red, isn't it? Yay! They sent me a red bulb, which is free because they sent me this blue one wrong. Isn't that cool? So I now have a red bulb. This one's also an LED, which is a white one, which doesn't use much power. Let's go back into the unlighted cabin, where the incandescent one should be cool enough. Yep. Let's replace that then. These things use amps, which is a lot of energy. They are, however, quite warm, which is an added advantage. But these are also quite warm, so. Now these are the prongs that I were on about just then, these which need to be slightly bent inwards. Just a little bit. Should be enough. No, it's not. There we go. Ooh, I dropped my bulb. Oh, that's okay, should be. Alright. And in we go. That's a bit loose, isn't it? Bend that a bit forward more. Ah, perfect. Well, actually a strange angle here since it's up there and I'm by here, so sort of strange film in it. Well, let's put the blue LED in. Ah, there we go. Very nice. So I've got red there and blue there. Cool. Also have white by there, all LED. So I've placed all the boat's internal cabin lights with LEDs at the moment, which is quite nice. Also going to do the running lights and maybe the anchor lights at some point. Anyway, that's replacing the incandescent lights with LED lights for power saving. Cheap upgrade, as they only cost about £5 each. Till next time.